really go on over Caymanas Park in the Diamond Mile over the weekend? What really go on? All the racing experts who were talking about big race and Ray and Ted. Where the big race there? Where the race there? All now is one horse, we see. And I hear some people talking and a ball about handicap and say the man eater not carry no weight and Ray and Ted. But I wonder if Brian Rickman OD saw it differently. Spotty, how you see?
The Diamond Mile field approach the final half of a mile. It's Tuna Ciliata, tackled now by Stranger Danger. There goes the mare. She's a man-eater. These three in a tight punch as they go, flashing now toward the final three. And She's a Man-Eater now grabs the lead. It's a half a length in front. Stranger Danger is battling as they come inside the final 5/16. Tuna Ciliata in behind. Supreme Soul now asked to go along with Sentiment on the outside. But She's a Man-Eater turns for home with that lead. The American Stranger Danger doesn't seem to be able to cope with the mare. She's a super mare. She's the queen of local racing. It's She's a Man-Eater and Omar Walker a furlong to run in the Diamond Mile. Stranger Danger has no answers to her. Tuna Ciliata and Sentient trying to run on, but She's a Man-Eater. What a mare. What a great horse. She's a Man-Eater, probably the best in the land.
Well, I'm still a look for the race. What the big race is. One horse we see around, yeah. 4, 5, 6 then. Stranger Danger and Supreme Soul and Tuna Ciliata. When them there, oh, them stop up at the furlong pole and take a water break. She's a Man-Eater stand alone. Zoom, Jackie, zoom.